Hello everyone. Today we are going to see model analysis. So first of all, what is model analysis? Model analysis is used to determine the response of a structure for dynamic loading. Why we are using model analysis? Model analysis is used for finding out the natural frequency and mode shape results. Okay. So what is natural frequency? Natural frequency is the frequency of a structure that tends to vibrate when it is disturbed. What is mode shape result? Mode shape is a specific pattern of vibration of structure at specific frequency. Okay. So first of all, we will see one problem I have already solved. This is of gearbox. This is a gearbox. I have found out 6 mode shape results because there are total 6 degree of freedom we can lock. Okay. So you have to find out minimum 6 mode shape result. Maximum you can find n number of sections. N number of mode shape results. Okay. So the first natural frequency is 142 Hertz and the deformation is 33 mm. Second natural frequency is 148 Hertz. Third is 228. Fourth is 240 Hertz, 256 Hertz, and last is 257 Hertz. So we are going to compare this natural frequency with the force frequency, and if the force frequency matches with the natural frequency, then the resonance will create, and because of that resonance there will be a increase in amplitude of vibration which leads to failure of system or structure. Okay. So how we are going to find out the force frequency? I am going to use a motor of 3000 rpm for this gearbox. This is a electrical vehicle gearbox. So the 3000 rpm, we will convert that 3000 rpm to hertz. So for that we need to divide 3000 by 60, which is 50 hertz. Okay. So this 50 hertz is less than the 142 hertz, which is natural frequency. So when this force frequency will match this natural frequency, at that time only resonance will create, and due to which there will be failure of system. Okay. So we will solve one problem in ANSYS workbench. How we are going to find out the natural frequency? So first of all, I will drag this model analysis in this window. I will create one geometry. First of all, change the unit to millimeter. In XY plane, I will draw one sketch. I will draw one rectangle, and then I will extrude with a height of 100 mm. Select the sketch in geometry, apply, and height is 100 mm, and then generate. Okay. So I have created one beam. Then close the geometry window and go in model window. First of all, create a mesh. So for that you have to right click and then select this generate mesh option. I will change the sizing of element. I will give 2 mm and then update. Then I will select model and I will apply boundary condition. Boundary condition is fixed support. So I will select this face and then select apply. You can apply on this face also and see the results. Okay, I'll apply on this face only. Then in solution I will insert deformation, and then I will select this solution, right click, and then solve. You will get total deformation and various natural frequencies for this object. So here are the results. The first natural frequency is 1098 Hz, next is 1286, third is 6372 Hz, 7121, 7274, and last is 12672 Hz. Okay, in this way you can find out the various natural frequencies and also the mode shape results. Okay, so the next, what you have to do, you have to select here, then you have to right click and then select all, then again you have to right click and then create mode shape result. So you will find out various deformation at various frequencies. I have solved the problem. So these are the results. When the frequency is 1098 Hz, the deformation is 152 mm. In this way there will be animation when the frequency is 1098. When frequency is 1286, the animation is like this. When frequency is 6372, animation is like this. Okay, so you can solve problem for fan also. You have to compare the fan motor with the fan. You have to find out the natural frequency for fan and then compare with the motor RPM. Okay, motor RPM, how to convert it into Hertz? You have to divide by 60. So you will get the force frequency of motor of fan, and then you have to compare with the fan natural frequency. Okay, the another example you can do experimental is you can use the chain of bicycle, which it will vibrate at various frequency. You will get various mode shape result, and you can compare with the animation. Thank you.